Hello everyone and welcome to this new video where we're going to take a close look at one of the most popular automatic coffee machines on the market, the Delonghi Magnifica S. If you're a coffee lover or just curious to check out a machine that offers great performance and simplicity, stick around with us. This machine is often seen as one of the best options for getting started in the world of coffee beans without breaking the bank. It's known for its outstanding value for money and ease of use, making it a must-have choice for coffee lovers looking for a practical and efficient solution at home. You'll find a link in the description to check its current price and to learn more about its features and maybe even buy it. But first, let's dive into the details. Let's start by talking about the design of this machine. The Delonghi Magnifica S is both sleek and functional, making it particularly well suited for a modern or traditional kitchen. With its compact dimensions, it easily fits on a countertop. With a width of 23.8 centimeters, a depth of 43 centimeters, and a height of 35 centimeters, it fits into tight spaces while still providing enough capacity to meet the needs of a family or even a small office. It weighs about 9 kilograms, which gives it good stability, even on narrow surfaces. The main material used for the construction of this machine is plastic, but not just any plastic. We have a sturdy, high-quality plastic with finishes that range from matte to glossy depending on the model. However, glossy versions, especially black, are slightly susceptible to fingerprints, which will require regular maintenance to keep it looking pristine. To add a touch of elegance, the cup rest tray is made of stainless steel, although it can get scratched over time if you frequently place cups on it. The ergonomics are also a strong point of this machine, featuring a simple and intuitive control panel made up of physical buttons and a central dial. This setup allows for quick and intuitive handling, making it perfect for beginners. The spout is adjustable in height, which is a real plus for accommodating both espresso cups and larger mugs. In short, when it comes to design, Delonghi focuses on a simplicity that works perfectly. Now let's move on to the features that make the Delonghi Magnifica S such a popular machine. First of all, it features a stainless steel grinder that can produce a precise grind thanks to its 13 settings. This feature is perfect for customizing your coffee to your taste, whether you prefer a fine grind for a strong espresso or a coarser grind for a lighter brewed coffee. This grinder is designed to be durable and efficient, although, as is often the case, it's recommended to avoid overly dark roasts that could really put it to the test. The customization doesn't stop there. The Magnifica S lets you adjust the coffee strength using a central dial, as well as the length and temperature. This can be adjusted to 3 levels, which is perfect for satisfying different tastes. The water reservoir has a generous capacity of 1.8 liters, making it very convenient. It's located on the front of the machine, which makes filling it up super easy. The bean container can hold up to 250 g of coffee, which is more than enough for several cups before you need to refill it. One nice feature is the presence of a manual steam wand. It allows you to make cappuccinos, lattes, or even macchiatos with a creamy milk froth. Sure, it takes a bit of practice to get the texture just right, but once you get the hang of it, the results are really satisfying. What really sets the Delonghi Magnifica S apart is its ease of use and efficiency. Right out of the box, getting started is quick and intuitive. After a quick read of the manual, you'll be ready to brew your first coffee in just a few minutes. The control panel, although quite rudimentary compared to higher-end models, is easy to understand. The buttons allow you to quickly select the size of your coffee, whether it's an espresso, a long coffee, or even 2 cups at once thanks to these dual nozzles. The central wheel for adjusting the intensity is a major asset, especially for those who like to vary their pleasure depending on the time of day. When it comes to speed, this machine is impressive. An espresso is ready in just about 30 seconds, while a long coffee takes about 50 seconds. If you're making your first coffee of the day after turning it on, it'll take you barely a minute and about 15 seconds to get a nice hot cup. The steam wand, although manual, is effective and will let you create milk froth that's on par with what you'd get in cafes, even with plant-based milks like soy or almond. When it comes to maintenance, Delonghi has thought of everything. The machine comes with an automatic rinsing system for the spouts, which ensures optimal hygiene after each use. The brew group is removable, which makes it easy to clean with warm water. The indicator lights on the control panel remind you when it's time to decale or refill the reservoir. One thing to note is that, except for the drip tray, none of the components of this machine are dishwasher safe, so you'll need to do some manual cleaning. Compared to other models in the same category such as the Krups Essential or the Jura Aina Micro 5, the Delonghi Magnifica S stands out for its affordable price and speed. It's especially suited for users who value simplicity and efficiency. However, its motor is a bit louder, reaching nearly 70 decibels when grinding the beans, which is still tolerable but noticeable. Unlike some newer models, it doesn't have an LCD screen or connectivity, but that adds to its simplicity and competitive price. If you're looking for more features, the Magnifica S Smart or the Dynamica range might meet your needs, although these models are pricier. In conclusion, the Delonghi Magnifica S is an ideal machine for coffee lovers looking for a simple, efficient, and affordable model. It offers enough customization to satisfy most tastes while still being easy to use every day. Its few limitations, such as its noise or the absence of a screen, are largely offset by its advantages. If you're looking for a reliable machine to make quality coffee without spending too much, the Magnifica S is a no-brainer. You'll find a link in the description to check out its current price and snag the best deals. Every click and purchase through this link supports the channel, and I really appreciate it. If you liked this video, don't hesitate to leave a comment to give your impressions, to like the video, and of course to subscribe so as not to miss our next product discoveries. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.